July 12th, 2019. I'm trying to record the songs of my birds here in my trees. I have one bird that since we moved in 6 years ago, sounds like he's saying, "We need you, we need you, we need you." So I call him the "We Need You" bird. But this morning, I heard a different call, and it was like it was saying 3 days, 3 days, 3 days. And I'm like, wow. There has been one that sounded like he was saying my name, so I thought that was kind of neat. But I love the birds over here. When I hear that call that says, "We need you, we need you, we need you," I always tell it back, yes, we do need him. We truly do need him. Anyway, this is going to be a short one. Be prepared, family. We're going home soon. Sounds like all creation is singing his praises, telling him, "Come get us." Talk to you soon.